Okay. So today I wanted to share what is arguably the most important exercise for your vocal health. Right? Now, a lot of us, we imagine different sources of sound. We imagine like naak se ga rahe, gale se ga rahe, pet se ga rahe, and all of that. However, the source of sound is physically, it's just the vocal folds. There might be resonance felt here and there, but that does not qualify as a source of sound. That's just the resultant resonance of a sound. So, DJ Suranshi in the house. Thanks, Vara. Okay, so now I want to discuss in detail how the vocal folds behave and what they do to create sound, so that our concepts are always clear, whether we are in this course or beyond. Right now, I'm going to quickly do a short physiology lesson with you guys. Let me, yeah, sharing screen. Okay, do you see this? Okay, so this is your entire vocal apparatus, really. This is the larynx. So the voice box is this, and this is your windpipe. Okay, sitting atop your windpipe are these two cartilages, cricoid, thyroid. The names are not important for you, really, but there are these two cartilages. Inside this thick one, if you place your hand here, you will find that thick cartilage where Adam's apple would have been if you were male. And inside this, if you make a V and point it towards yourself, that's how the vocal folds are suspended. Okay, this is the source of all sound. And yesterday we learned that the sound is created passively because air is flowing from here. It is zipping past the small area of the folds, it's pulling them together. There's more air bubbling under, and therefore they are blown apart, and there is a vibration set into motion. Okay. This is your hyoid bone. If you check here, there's going to be a bony structure. It's the only floating bone in our body, right? That's the hyoid bone. And in between the hyoid, this area, we're going to get to this later when we're training our pharynx and all of that. That's the space between the hyoid bone and the thyroid cartilage. Okay. Okay. Now, why are we looking at this? So that we understand how it is that our vocal folds function. Our vocal folds are in the open state when we are breathing. Let me first show you that, then we'll get back into this in a moment. Yeah. Do you see this?
They're about.
So you see they're coming together like this. You can see a phase difference almost. Let me go a little. You can see a phase difference that it's coming together and being blown apart, coming together and being blown apart. Yes? Okay. Now there's going to be a moment where the person breathes. Yeah, the person is breathing here, so it's in the open state. She's not making sound. And when she's making sound, it's in the closed state and vibrating because she's exhaling and sound is getting produced. So what this means is there's a set of muscles up here beyond the screen that is bringing the folds together. Yes? Okay. Now the exercise we are going to do today is going to target those muscles and how much involuntary control we have on them. Okay? Now let me take you out of here and let me show you one more thing. So now we're going to go into the internal view of this bit, right? Okay. Here's how pitch is. Sorry, that's me. Let me close the volume. Okay. Do you see this? So that lowest cartilage which was on top of your windpipe, that swivels around with respect to the thick cartilage, and that's how pitch is created. All right? And the vocal folds stretch and release in order to stretch for higher pitches, release for lower pitches. We'll get more into that, so you don't have to worry about it yet. The bigger point here is this. Hello? Huh. Okay, so there's a bunch of muscles, but look at what happens. There's an opening and closing. Okay? Now, what is the thing that threatens our vocal health the most? If you see this muscle here, it doesn't look the same. There's nothing vibrating. You can't see anything vibrating on top of it, just the way that we saw here. Right? This vibration is not visible there. That's because that muscle is inside, and up top, the vocal folds, they are called mucosa. It's a mucosal layer. Okay, and that muscle you saw was an embedded muscle. That means the vocal folds have various layers to them. Okay, now the muscles have to be brought into what is called the prephonatory position. Right? Which means that when you send a signal from your brain into your larynx by imagining that you have to speak or sing, just before you sing, those muscles which are in the open state when you're breathing, they come into the prephonatory position. They don't slap together. They come to the prephonatory position, which is why you saw a gap there. And the mucosa which is on top of that then gets into motion as you start breathing out. Okay? Now what happens if those muscles come too close together? If they come too close together, then the mucosa rubs against itself. And there is overheating, and that is when it is the primary cause actually of vocal tiredness, vocal hoarseness. So that is something that we have to weed away from our instincts. What is the other option? That prephonatory gap is too much. So then the mucosa is trying to make a healthy wave, but there's air also zipping past. So you get right? And the opposite imbalance, where the prephonatory gap was too little, the sound is right? They're rubbing together. And if I continue that for like 5 minutes, I'm definitely going to start feeling tired. Okay? So those two states are called let me just quickly make a silly diagram. Suppose the pressed one is like this. Okay? We call it pressed phonation. Pressed phonation. Okay, quickly make a note of that. And if it's too diffused, if the sound is too diffused, it's called breathy phonation. Now, in between these, in the balance of these two, we have what is called modal voice. Okay? Now, modal voice is different. It's a physiological classification of voice. It's different from head voice, chest voice, etc. because those are resonance concepts. This is a behavior concept. Okay? So, pressed phonation and breathy phonation are the imbalances. Modal voice is the balanced state where the prephonatory gap is healthy, which is which is up to 1 mm, and it is also accompanied by a thing called the modal ring. So what you'll notice is when you've tapped into modal voice, you lose all sensation and your voice suddenly starts feeling much more resonant also. Okay? Now, it is important to know that all of these happen on a gradient. Everything in the voice happens on a gradient. So does this. So, this is extremely pressed phonation. Ah, this is less pressed phonation. Ah, it's still pressed though. Even less. Ah, it's still pressed. Modal. Do you see the sudden increase in freedom and in tone? And then I go to the other imbalance धीरे धीरे से छोटा सा breath phonation right. So it's all on a gradient. And so when you're correcting yourself, you want to think of it like that needle of a weighing scale, and you want to hit home where it feels like nothing and you get everything in terms of tone. Now, modal voice is a behavior. Therefore, modal voice is installable across your whole range, no matter whether you think of it as chest voice or head voice or anything else. Okay, cool. So, the sound of pressed phonation, especially on the attack, because the first thing we are going to heal is the attack habit, attack or onset means how you start a note. So if your notes are starting like ah, ah, can you hear that little slap in front of it? Ah, ah, right? So that sound is the vocal folds slapping together really hard. The prephonetic gap is too less and the mucosa is slapping together hard. Ah, okay, make that sound so that you know what it sounds like, what it feels like. Imagine you're lifting something heavy or you have to go poo. Ah, Everybody, please switch on your mics. Yes, correct. So that little slappy sound that is right at the onset, that is called glottal attack. Okay, so that is the sound. So your exercise is going to be neither having glottal attack nor having and H. H meaning there's a breathiness. Ha, ha, ha. That's the opposite imbalance, right? So neither glottal attack nor H in your onset. This is the most protective exercise for the vocal folds. Secondly, the muscle that it gives us, let's involuntary control over, is that muscle at the back. Let me quickly share screen again so that you know who I'm talking about. I keep referring to muscles as people, so I'm saying who I'm talking about. Okay. You see this person here at the back? The guy who's bringing together the folds? We are talking to this person. We are saying, bring them close just enough for me to have healthy phonation, for me to have modal voice. Okay? So you are going to remove you're going to remove h, and we are going to make 5 drops of sound. Let's do. So the exercise is which means sound is appearing and disappearing, but it's not and it's not ha ha ha. It's just it's neither nor ha. Let's try it, ladies.
Wait.
Can you hear the glottal attack, darling? In the beginning
Yeah.
sound. Imagine it's a needle. Move it towards H, but don't go all the way towards H. So play with it in that way. Juhi, you want to try? Very nice, very nice. Don't brace your throat in order to get it right. सब कुछ ढीला छोड़ दो, अपने mind से control करो. Beautiful. Alternate ones were going towards H, but number 1 and number 3 were perfect. So now allow. So that means Juhi's body is more used to going towards the breathy phonation. Right? Once again. Good correction, but don't correct it with your muscles. Yeah, just correct it with your mind.
Ha, 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 ha.
Good job. The third one was exceptional. Okay, guys, why are we controlling it with our mind? Because it's that back muscle which we don't have direct control on, which we are just saying, no, no, that was too much. No, no, that was too less. Like that. Okay. Ria, want to try?
Ha, 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 ha.
Good job. Make it a little shorter. Make the notes a little shorter. Ha, ha, ha.
Ha, 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 ha.
Good. Now, overall, it's tilted towards H,
Yeah.
right? So I want you to lighten up with the air pressure, and also I want you to not make that cavity inside. Let that go.
Ha, 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 ha.
Feels easier inside the body. Sounds very, very good. Ria, for you and for everybody in general, whenever you're doing any vowels, think of language. So think of after or any ah sound. Come, Ria, once again.
Ha, 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 ha.
It's again tilting back, and that shape is switching on again. Switch off all shapes.
Ha, 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 ha.
Not bad, not bad. It's still a little breathy. With your mind, ask for a clean sound.
Still feel like it's a breathy. Yeah, tone. Ah, ah. This is what I was trying to avoid. I was trying to avoid the glottal. Ha, 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 ha.
That's it. That's definitely better. It's little tilted towards breathy, but it's so much better. Okay, we'll go through everyone and then we'll continue this exercise. Tess, would you like to try?
Ah, 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 ah.
There's a little bit of that glottal onset sound. Ah, let that go. Go towards H, not really making the H yet. Ah, 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 ah.
Ah, 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 ah.
That's better. That's better. Do you feel a loss of sensation when you did that? That's perfect. The more sensation you lose, the closer you are to perfect technique, and we got more tone from you. Tess, just do it one more time so that your body remembers.
Ah, 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 ah.
Better, beautiful. Now, if there's any shape switching on behind your mouth, allow that to go with a that kind of shape. Let it, that house that's happening behind the mouth, let that collapse.
Ah, 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 ah.
Yes, yes. And actually, for Tanri, I wanted to make a special mention because she's really specialized in opera. And so there might be many, many concepts that we share here which are slightly different from the bel canto method, right? So, what happens is that in order for us to, for all contemporary music, but also for Bollywood and also for classical, classical, Hindustani, Carnatic, is we want a spoken sound, right? That's the only aesthetic difference between the bel canto approach and all the others, that the aesthetic choices expected from singers is different. So what happens is when I go right, we do create space and achieve a particular sound, but it doesn't exactly fit with contemporary styles. Contemporary style wants to come out of language. After if I did that often does not fit into all the other paradigms of singing that exist. That's why we are starting with a neutral physiology, right? So that then we can puppeteer and go into all styles. Okay? Okay. Tanvi, do you want to try?
Mm. Ah, ah.
That's a hard glottal attack, right? You can hear it like prr, almost like that. So let that go towards H. Or, guys, let me imbalance her and then bring her back to balance. So give me ha, 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 as though you're saying hi. Give me 5 H's. Ha, 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 ha.
Ha, 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 ha.
Good job. And don't squash the folds at all, darling. After your H is starting very well, but it's going into press phonation. Ha. Let that effort be zero. Let there be emptiness in your throat. Come.
ha, 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 ha.
That's good. Now make that capital H into a small h.
Ha, 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 ha.
Almost there. Don't make that shape inside. Let that shape melt.
Ha, 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 ha.
Sounding more like speech now.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay. And now let's try to get into modal voice, which is neither a nor ha. So make that H even smaller.
Ha, do, ha, ha, do, ha, 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 do, ha, 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 ha.
Good job. Don't try to control it with that shape, darling. Control it with your mind and let that shape melt.
Ha, 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 ha.
Good job. Did you feel your resonance flip up?
Oh, yeah.
Good job. Perfect. Okay. Once again, darling. Ha, 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 ha.
Ha, 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 ha.
Beautiful. Melt all the houses that are creating inside your pharynx, inside your throat. Ha, 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 ha.
Oh, okay. Ha, 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 ha.
Yes, 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 yes. And it's so much easier on your body too. And it's taking you closer to the contemporary sound as well. Okay. Now let's try Swara.
Okay. Ha, 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 ha.
Do you notice the big H, the capital H?
Yeah.
Let's make that small h and then smaller h.
Okay. Opposite from the breathy voice to glottal.
No, so don't have to go to glottal because that's the one that we just have to really stay away from. But
Okay.
just make the h smaller and smaller.
Ha, 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 ha.
Yes, so there's that push of air. Ha, ha, ha. Let there be no storms leaving your body. Let it be first a breeze. Ha, 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 ha.
Ha, 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 ha.
Not bad. That is a little less already. Very nice. Now, Swara, I want you to just say hi.
Hi.
वो एज कितना छोटा था?
काफी छोटा था.
वही वाला एज. Hi. Ha, 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 ha.
Hi. Ha, 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 ha.
Isn't it so much easier in your voice?
Yeah.
Okay. Now even smaller than that so that the H sound vanishes.
Ha, 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 ha.
और छोटा कीजिए उसको.
Ha, 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 ha.
There's still a push. Relax that a little bit.
Ha, 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 ha.
Good. Now I want you to practice, guys, in case your throats are ever stuck in the H thing. Say hi, hi, hi and arc. Hi, hi, but don't go hi, I. Don't switch on that opposite. ठीक है? Hi, I.
Hi. Hi.
Okay, दूसरे वाले में H तो है नहीं, वो आंख है, I है.
Hi. Hi.
Yes, almost there. Once again.
Hi. Hi.
Yes, that I that you said
Okay.
right now was modal voice.
Fine.
Okay,
Got
so
it.
now with that behavior, hi, hi, ha, 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 ha.
Hi. Hi. Ha, 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 ha.
When you're singing, don't push out that H again.
Ha, 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 ha.
Better this time you switched it off, but it went little towards breast phonation. So guys, it's going to be this negotiation, right? Because she's training that muscle now.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Aishwarya. Oh, okay.
Hi,
So
ma'am. Sorry, I'm late. I had a flight.
that's okay. That's okay. Okay, so just watch this. We are doing 5 drops of sound without a or h on the onset. Okay, just watch and join in. So, guys, now we are going to repeat this in the same way, in the same scheme as we did last time. Random notes, intervals, melodies. Okay? 5. Ha, 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 ha. Good job. Keep negotiating with your minds. Do not create houses. Good job. New note. Ha, 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 ha. No shapes. Loose sensation. Once again. New note. Ha, 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 ha. Some people are going hard on the air. Some people are going hard on the muscle. We want breather. Once again. Good job. Riya, left shape. Okay, one sec. I can't hear Riya and Juhi. So, guys, just the two of you, please. Not bad, not bad. Beautiful, darling. You've come so far already. Now, whatever shape is happening, just melt that shape, okay? Everybody. Ha 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 ha. Good job, Juhi. Back of the tongue, little more loose, please. New note. Ha 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 ha. Okay, if something is lifting to make it ha ha ha, let that go because that's going to go against the contemporary sound. Ha 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 ha. Yes, this same sound is going to contribute to the power tone. Ow, hey, hey, ow, ooh, ooh, right? If you lift it, it's going to give a different quality which removes that power tone from the voice. Oh, hey, hey, oh, ooh. So if you're creating houses behind your mouth, you're gonna kind of compromise on that power tone which contemporary music is associated with. Ha, hi, how, hey, he, right? Ha, 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 ha. Good job. Yes, little less house behind the mouth. Let the walls melt. Beautiful. Tanvi, try, baby. Okay. Also, please do not squash your stomachs while making this sound. Okay. Now, the next direction that I want to give you, now that you're successfully able to negotiate with your vocal folds, is no matter whether there's sound or silence, there needs to be flow. Don't stop your breath just because the sound is stopping. It shouldn't be where you're stopping and starting, stopping and starting. No need. Let it flow. Come. Good job. I heard one glottal attack.
Right.
Good job. Good correction. Okay. Now I want you to sing a long note and then 5 short notes, just so that you know
Okay.
that the feeling needs to be the same. Ah, 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 ah. It should not feel like ah, 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 ah. You don't have to stop your exhale. Come. Yes. This particular version of this exercise is one of the master exercises for vocal agility. When you want to do runs, etc., this is the one that's going to contribute to very, very clear runs. Okay. Now, ah, 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 ah. Not bad, not bad. Release any shapes. Ria for sure. Juhi, little more looseness on the tongue. Everybody talk to your tongues just for fun also.
I'm feeling it in my stomach. So how do I control that?
Are you pushing your ab muscles in?
Yeah, it's automatically happening.
No need. No need. Let them go. Okay, give me a hello.
Hello,
Did your ab muscles squash?
hello. Yeah, it did a
Okay.
little.
Okay. Just tell me your name. My name is Aishwarya.
Hi, my name is Aishwarya.
Did they have to squash? They don't have to squash for anything, actually. Okay.
Okay.
Hi, hi, hi. Now do it without squashing.
Hi, hi, hi.
Yes, yes. Just because there's an H doesn't mean you got to squash it. Hi, hi, hi.
Hi, hi, hi.
Yes. Ah, ha, 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 ha.
Ah,
Yes.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Now, when we go to the study of breathing, then we will understand why it is not important at all. However, for right now, you just have to trust me for a few days.
Of course, yeah.
Okay, so the first version of the random notes exercise was just you negotiating, removing the attack and removing the removing the glottal attack and removing the H, right? Bringing on modal voice. The second version is with the long note and the short notes so that they both feel the same so that you're not stopping flow while doing it. Let's do version 2 again on random notes. Ah, 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 ah. Good job. Giving you a little challenge. As when there's a rhythm associated, you want to be loyal to the rhythm, right? So let's do ah 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 ah. Aishwarya, this little bit of sound, move that towards the H so that H is not audible, but it's somewhere in the middle. Ah 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 ah. Good job. Do not resort to heavy muscles. Concentrate on that one little muscle. Good negotiation, Ananya. But baby, don't go for that. Just allow your brain to just talk to that muscle behind your folds, okay? Now that muscle is not felt, so don't associate it with any sort of sensation. You're not having any sensation. You're just talking to it through sound. Good job, good job. Let the air keep flowing, sweetheart. Good job. Tanri, is it making sense? You're looking a little worried.
Fine.
All
Yeah,
good?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, new note. Ah, 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 ah. Yes, that's beautiful, Swaranshi. Such a long way you've come. Suddenly, I'm giving you a very different note, but you're not going to think it's high. You're all going to keep your tongues at rest and also talk to that little muscle for the prephonatory gap to be ideal. Ah, 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 ah.
Okay, I'm trying to fix.
If some eyes are looking up, it means the brains are thinking up.
It's going into that place of shapes for me.
Yes, for you, Ananya, sorry, I keep going to make, sorry. Uh, back of your, so basically, right there at the soft palate, if it's rising, oh, let that melt. Ah, 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 ah. Yes, babe. Right? Was that the difference between what was happening and when it wasn't?
Okay.
Okay. Same for Tanri. Same thing. Oh, let that go to. Oh, let that soft palate be silly and not taut, not lifted. I can't hear you, baby. Are you on mute?
No. Oh, okay. I'll just do it.
Okay. Yeah. That's better. That's better. That's better. The tongue is a little retracted. Let it go and let the back of the soft palate also fall. Ah. Yeah, that's very contemporary. Hey, hi, ah, right? Okay. New note. Ah, 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 ah. Yes, that's really good. Good, not bad, not bad. Don't try to lift or use any muscles because all these muscles are here. They are not contributors to sound. Okay. Now,
Sorry.
That's fine, Tanvi. That's good. Okay. Now, darlings, we are going to go to the next thing, which is intervals.